So hey all, hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how can we make this title, our website title, will be dynamic according to our the different components. So let me show exactly what we are going to discuss. So currently, as you saw, the title is home icon my React app. Okay, if I switch to the another component, like second component is about. If I go to the about, it will gonna change from home to about us hyphen my React app. Same for the services. Now it's going to the refer for the services, and same for the contacts. Okay. So how we can achieve this? We have multiple options to do this. First one is we have a inbuilt library in React.js within the helmet uh, .js. So we can use that helmet as a library. So helmet library will be do it by itself. You just need to provide the name of that title of that component. So, but in this project we have not used that library. What we have done, we have created a custom hook by ourselves and do everything manually. So let's see how it works. So for that we need to go to the code. Let's see. We have created a small project named as useDocumentTitle, and if I open src folder, so as we saw, the main component is app.js. Inside this we have multiple component to call route for the multiple components. First one is home by slash, second one is about, services, and context accordingly. Okay. So we have buttons. On click of this button we are allowing user to move to that respective components of. So what we have done, if by default it will be at home page. If I go to the home page, I have this is the normal component, but we are currently showing on the shown on is home page screen. We have created a simple information related to our YouTube channel. Okay. So let's go to the main important thing is this use document head. What it will how it will work, basically it will consume some information. So these uh, are the dummy one. This is we can exactly take example of these two. So these are the dummy one. We can implement these all information according to the title and description also. Let's move to use document head. Okay. If I show you here, so let me collapse this all. Yeah. Okay. So now use what it expect from the user. These all the details, which is these all the details are primarily set over the html.public here. Okay. The titles and other things are set here, but we want it make it dynamic according to our components. So what we have done, we have exactly for every component we have just pass title and description from each every component, and here it get is with the title and description. Or if we check here, like if title is present, then we need to get the exact document that title, and we need to update with the what we have get from the parent component. Okay. So same for here also for the description. If we have provided description, then we need to update the provided description from the parent to here. Okay. So like I have passed this call this user can provide this object as a our required document. Let me show you the second component is the about us. About about us. Yeah, same I have called here. This is the return. It's normal. This is the exactly our custom hook for updating our titles and head all the related header details related things. Okay. So from here we pass this information, like name of the title should be about us when user on the uh, about this company. So let's like I have currently it's showing home hyphen my app or my React app. If I move to about screen, it will show the about us hyphen this message. And similarly description and these all the things will be updated accordingly if we want. So like currently I'm here the icon of this currently your description icon is same. If you want we can make it dynamic also, but mostly we don't need this icon to make it dynamic, because here we show the logo of our application, and our every time application will be logo for the application will be same. It not we don't want to make it dynamic according the component. Okay. So this is how we can achieve uh, to make dynamic our titles according to our components. So hope it will helpful for you, and thanks for watching video.